The last example I'm going to do is, let's say we have secant of 300. Well, I'm going to do this one with you guys, and then we can do another one like that if you want. Yeah. Secant of 300, okay? So, first of all, what quadrant are we in? 4. Well, someone said 4. Someone went 4. Alright, so we're in 4. So, in 4, what are you supposed to do? 360 minus the angle. So, we say 360 minus 300, which gives us what? 60. Okay, so we're looking for secant of 60. Now, unfortunately, on our little mini chart here, we don't have secant. But what is secant's evil twin? Cosine. So let's look at cosine of 60, which is already circled for us. Cosine of 60 is what? 1/2. So, cosine of 60 is 1/2. That means secant of 60 is going to be 2. So our answer is going to be 2. But what do we have to check before we're done? Right, so all students take calculus. We're in the 4th quadrant. Cosine is positive. That means its buddy is also positive. So is secant positive? Yes, so we leave it the way it is. The one last thing I wanted to ask you is to finish out this chart. Let's say I wanted to finish out this chart. So we already know we can find cosecant and secant, right? Yeah. How do I get tangent? Do you guys remember? Tangent is what over what? Sine over cosine. Good. So, to finish out this chart, you won't have to memorize the first 2 parts. Tangent, you would say, okay, is the first one over the second one. So, 0 over 1 is 0. 1/2 over square root of 3 over 2. So, 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2. That would be 1/2 times 2 over root 3. Because you're multiplying by a fraction, so you flip it. Those cancel, so I get 1 over root 3. What's the same thing over the same thing is going to give me what? 1. Again, now we have square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which is the same as square root of 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. What cancels? The 2's, so it would be square root of 3. And then what's 1 over 0? Undefined. So, now that we've finished the chart, this is all the information you should need for tonight.